There was just nothing else quite like it, and I finally took the plunge, and I'm so happy I did. Hi Domain, I'm Carlene Duffy, designer and renovator, and welcome to my living room. This room sort of just fell together with items I stumbled across or that I had recovered, so it's a bit of a mishmash. The main cost in this living room was the brick wall. It's 100% worth it. It adds interest and character, and it adds a real warmth, which I think is really important in any space. It took me about 2 years to find something that I loved enough to place above it, which is that beautiful fan mirror from Jardin. There was just nothing else quite like it, and I finally took the plunge, and I'm so happy I did. I guess you would call my cushions a splurge in comparison to some other cushions because you can get really cheap cushions. Buying a feather insert is really important, so feather over foam because foam tends to go a bit flat, and some of my cushions are actually custom fabric. You don't need to spend a lot of money on side tables. I found them at op shops. I've in the past used cut down tree trunks. This coffee table was actually a dining table. I essentially just removed the base, found a new base on Facebook Marketplace, and Bob's your uncle. This is my favourite chair. It's a Queen Victoria chair that I bought from eBay. It probably cost me $800, $200 for the chair and about $600 in having it recovered. I think in a house of this scale, and it is big, we have a lot of space to fill. You do need to be a bit conscientious about how you spend and how you save, but it's those really interesting pieces with personality that to me are the pieces that stand the test of time.